Welcome back to GearUpWindows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to create a desktop shortcut to Hibernate your Windows 10 PC. In case your Windows supports hibernation feature, you can create a desktop shortcut to Hibernate your PC. For this, right-click on the free space on the desktop, select here New and then shortcut option. In this one shortcut box, you need to type shutdown a space slash h and then click on this one next button, name it Hibernate, then click on this one finish button. This will create a desktop shortcut. In case you want to access it with a keyboard shortcut or you want to change its icon, right click on this one shortcut icon, select here properties. To change the icon, click on this one change icon button. Select a icon of your choice. You can also browse in case you have already downloaded a beautiful icon and want to apply here. You can use this one browse button and select a icon of your choice from your PC. Then click on this one OK button. Click on apply and this one OK button to change its icon and to set the keyboard shortcut. Beside keyboard shortcut key box, click in the box and now you can type any letter or number from your keyboard. Suppose I wish to hibernate my Windows 10 PC using Ctrl Alt plus H keyboard shortcut. I have just pressed H and Windows has automatically added Ctrl plus Alt in the shortcut. So my shortcut to hibernate this PC will be Ctrl plus Alt plus H. Then click on this one apply button. Click on this one OK button. Now in case you want to pin it to taskbar, right click on the free space and here you need to uncheck this one option lock the taskbar. Then just select this one shortcut and drag it to taskbar. When you see pin to taskbar link, leave this mouse. This will sit on the taskbar and clicking on it you can hibernate your Windows 10 PC. That's all about this video. If you are new to our channel Gear Up Windows, kindly subscribe it. And if you love this video, press thumbs up. Bye bye.